In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix disabled account can't be contacted problem on Instagram. Now, if you're new to this channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Once you've subscribed, please go ahead and leave a like on this video as well. I really do appreciate it, guys. Please be sure that you watch this video to the very end to avoid any mistake. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go and open your Play Store. Then go to search. And then search for Instagram. Then ensure that your Instagram app is up to date. If your Instagram is not up to date, ensure that you update it. Once you've done that, you need to close Play Store and then go and open your Instagram app. Then once you are here, you need to tap on the messenger icon on your top right corner. Then it will bring you to messages. Now tap the message that you have with that person. Tap on the name of that person at the top. You are going to see the three dots beside the notification. So you are going to tap on them. Then tap on restrict. So once you've restricted, you need also again to unrestrict the person so that you can be able to send the message to that person. So in order to unrestrict, you just need to go back. Then tap on your profile icon on your bottom right corner. Then tap on those three lines on your top right corner. Then you need to scroll down. Then you are going to see restricted. That is under how other can contact with you. So tap on restricted. Then you need to unrestrict this person again. So once you've unrestricted him, so you need to go back and check if you can be able to send a message to that person. If that one does not work, you need to block this person and unblock him. So just tap the name of the person on your top. Tap on those three dots beside the bell icon. Then block. Then block. So after blocking, you also need to unblock the person again. So you just need to go back. Then go back. Then go back, then go to your profile on your bottom right corner. Then you need to tap on those three lines on your top right corner. Then you need to scroll down. Then under who can see your content, you are going to see block option there. So just tap on it. Then you are going to see your block list there. So you need to unblock the person. And then unblock. So once you've unblocked the person, go and see if you will be able to send him or her the message. So you just go to the message and then open the message and see if you could be able to send the message to the person. So if that does not work, you just need to go back and then tap on the message of that person, then delete. Then delete. So once you've deleted the messages of that person, you need to go and follow him. Then you need to follow him again. So if that one does not work, then you need to delete the Instagram app and then reinstall it in your phone. So that's it, guys. That's how you can fix this problem of disabled account can't be contacted. If this video has helped you out, please do not forget to subscribe and also to like the video. Thank you, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.